Understanding fencing, the basics of the sport. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of fencing. This sport is not just about swords and duels. It's about discipline, strategy, and finesse. If you've ever been intrigued by fencing or are simply looking for a new sport to understand, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery and learn the key rules that govern this elegant sport. Fencing is a sport that involves two competitors fighting with thin, light swords. The aim is to touch the opponent with the tip of your sword to score points, while also avoiding getting hit yourself. It's a sport that requires agility, speed, and strategic thinking. There are three types of fencing, each defined by the type of sword used: foil, épée, and saber. The fencing area is known as a piste. It is a long, narrow strip that restricts the movement of the fencers, making the combat more strategic. It's important for fencers to stay within this boundary during the match to avoid penalties. 3.1 The objective. The primary goal in fencing is to score points by hitting your opponent with the tip of your sword. The target area varies based on the type of fencing. Foil, only the torso counts as the valid target area. Épée, the entire body is a valid target. Saber, the upper body, excluding the hands, is the valid target area. 3.2 Right-of-way. In foil and saber fencing, the concept of right-of-way is crucial. This rule determines which fencer receives the point when both have landed a hit at the same time. The fencer who started the attack first is usually given the right-of-way. 3.3 Scoring a point. A point is scored in fencing when a fencer lands a hit on the valid target area. In electronic scoring systems, a light indicates a valid hit. 3.4 The role of the referee. A referee oversees the match, ensuring the rules are followed, points are awarded correctly, and managing any disputes that may arise during the bout. Safety is paramount in fencing. Fencers wear protective clothing, including a mask, a jacket, and gloves. The swords used are specifically designed for the sport and have blunted tips to prevent injury. Fencing is known for its tradition and respect. Fencers salute each other and the referee before and after each bout. This shows respect and sportsmanship, which are as important as the physical aspects of the sport. Fencing is a thrilling blend of physical prowess, strategic thinking, and respect for tradition. Whether you're considering taking up the sport or just wanted to learn more about it, we hope this video shed light on the elegant and disciplined world of fencing. Remember, it's not just about the swords. It's about the people wielding them. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content like this, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos.